Hey guys, I hope you are doing well, and in this video we will talk about how I made this animated button on Figma. So let's get started. Okay, we are here on our actual Figma file. So as you can see that we have this image which is working as a soft light. We have blended, and we can see that this is a button, this is another button that we have, and this is menu, the nav bar, and this is a heading for our website. The same goes here also on our second frame, where things are a little bit tweaked. So we will discuss what I have done there. Okay, on this menu section, which should not be menu, it should be nav bar. That would be a nice title for this one. Okay, here is our cart icon, which does not do anything, and this is our wish list icon, which is in the form of heart, and this is the main part of our site, which is this frame, and you will get some menu links here and a search button. This is the search button, and these are some menu links, and this is logo, which I got from a plugin called ᴛᴜ. You can also get that from there. Okay, so this is our another frame where things are a little bit tweaked. As you can see, the only difference that is here is in this menu. On menu we have this frame, the things are tweaked on this frame. Alright, let's see what is tweaked here. So you get a close button here, which was not earlier, and you get a search icon, which was there, but obviously the color is changed now, and this text which says search a product. Alright, so what I have done there, first let me show you the prototype that is executed here. So on frame, let me show you on prototype. On this search I have a interaction of on click, which navigates me to home one, which is this another frame, sorry. And I have chosen this smart animate, which is ease in and out for a timer of 300 milliseconds, which that means whenever I will click on this icon, this will move me to here, and whenever I will click on this one, that means it will move me to here. Let me now show you what happens on this. If I show you this one, this close, on click, this will navigate me to there on my home page, and the search icon does the same job. So this search icon does not have any prototype for now, but we can do that. This close button moves us to there again on our first slide. Only these are the two animations which take place. Also you can notice that I have removed these two icons over there. Let me show you side by side. These two icons are not there anymore. I have renamed this home to search a product, like so. Oh, we can also remove this one, but I have not. I have removed this outdoor plants and renamed indoor plants to search a product. The home has a maybe zero opacity. That means it will not show up on my design. Alright, so this was the animation. As you can see, if I press this close, this will do this, and whenever I will click on this search icon, this will show me an icon like this one. Also, you can see that the leaves here, which is happening because of this one, the image that I have used here. Let me show you that. Yes, this is the image which is working as soft light here. If I will do it normal, this will go like this one, and I have a opacity of 50, so that's why it is having this nice effect, which looks really cool. And I have also added this plants to make it better. Not this one, let me show you. Yes, this is the plant, which is looking nice, I guess. So you have options to, you have two CTAs which can help you to do some particular things, but that is also not any animated there. Alright, so I hope this is a good video for you to understand how this is working. Okay, alright, so I hope this video was good, and if you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and tell me which videos are helpful for you, so that I can make some similar videos for you guys. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.